Good afternoon, Michael Rajner. I looked over the
You want some water, Mike?
no, thank you. I'm just recovering from a bad respiratory infection. I've been on antibiotics for 48 hours or more, actually, so nothing's contagious, Commissioner Romney.
Okay, good.
So you don't have to shriek away. On the federal legislative priorities, from what I'm looking at here, on page 1 of 2, I think it's incumbent on the city to certainly have some statement in here about supporting the civil rights of all different various populations of individuals. Mr. Mayor, you began your remarks with today's meeting during the discussion of some item of mentioning the Eula Johnson wade-ins at the beach. Certainly, Pride Fort Lauderdale has been mentioned along with the LGBT community. The terms diversity, inclusiveness have come up. And the greater Fort Lauderdale area, Mayor, as you know, is about 1.5 million LGBT tourists. In 2016, spent $1.5 billion in the greater Fort Lauderdale area. Certainly, during the era of President Trump and Jeff Sessions and Mike Pence, there are fears of LGBT people that it will be legal to, it is currently legal for them to fire LGBT people. And we're worried about the erosion of other rights. We do feel that this should be placed in here in some capacity. It's unfortunate the city doesn't have an ordinance itself on on non-discrimination that also protects LGBT people. I had thought one would have been coming forward by now, and that's most regrettable. But I would encourage the commission to somehow find a way to incorporate here. Broward County does have such statements in both their state and federal legislative packets.
Thank you, Mr. Rajner. I think Broward County is actually encompasses ours too, though. That's one of the reasons I said we have not created duplicate ordinances. Broward County's ordinances apply to us, but I would have and fully support Broward County's ordinances. So I'll leave it at that. Anybody else signed up?
Courage here.
All right.